Hello and welcome to French Class Teacher Podcast to learn French easily and confidently. Today we will learn how to ask for directions in French without panic, without stress, using simple and practical phrases you can use right away. For each of my podcasts, I provide a summary sheet and exercises. You can download it from my website, FrenchClassTeacher.com, in Complete Exercise Library by clicking on the corresponding podcast. If you are traveling to France or any French-speaking country, you will really need all of these vocabulary and sentences I provide. First, some listening tips for you. Adjust the playback speed depending on your level. Listen once without stopping, just to understand the general idea. Then, listen a second time, paying attention to details. How it works today. For each step, I will give you a word, then a sentence using this word, and then the English translation. You will have some time to repeat after me. It will be a very good practice for you. Ready? Let's go. Before asking for direction in France, it's important to be polite. So let's start with the essential expression. First, I will tell you the word, then the sentence in French using it, and the English translation. First word, easy one. Bonjour. Sentence, bonjour. Excusez-moi. Hello. Excuse me. You can repeat after me now. Bonjour. Excusez-moi. Another word, bonsoir. A sentence with it. Bonsoir, j'ai une question. Good evening, I have a question. You can repeat after me. Bonsoir, j'ai une question. Another word, excusez-moi. A sentence with it. Excusez-moi, je suis un peu perdu. Excuse me, I am a little lost. Repeat after me. Excusez-moi, je suis un peu perdu. Another word, s'il vous plaît. Sentence, pouvez-vous m'aider, s'il vous plaît? Can you help me, please? Your turn, you can repeat after me. Pouvez-vous m'aider, s'il vous plaît? Now, let's put everything all together. Bonjour, excusez-moi, est-ce que vous pouvez m'aider, s'il vous plaît? Hello, excuse me, can you help me, please? Take a breath and repeat after me. Bonjour, excusez-moi, est-ce que vous pouvez m'aider, s'il vous plaît? Now, let's start the step 2, asking the question. Now that you know how to start politely, let's learn how to ask the question clearly. First word you need to know is où est? Où est? Where is? A sentence in French with it. Où est la station de métro? Where is the subway station? So you can repeat after me. Où est la station de métro? Another word, another sentence. Comment aller à? How to go to? A sentence with it. Comment aller à la gare? How do I get to the train station? Repeat after me. Comment aller à la gare? Another word, c'est loin. Is it far from? A sentence with it. Excusez-moi, c'est loin d'ici? Excuse me, is it far from here? You can repeat after me. Excusez-moi, c'est loin d'ici? Word 4. Vous pouvez répéter. Could you repeat? Sentence. Désolé. Vous pouvez répéter, s'il vous plaît? Sorry. Can you repeat, please? Repeat after me. Désolé. Vous pouvez répéter, s'il vous plaît? Excellent. Let's continue. So now let's talk about places you might ask about. Let's learn the vocabulary of useful places you may need. First, la gare, the train station. A sentence with it. Je cherche la gare. I'm looking for the train station. You can repeat. Je cherche la gare. Another word, le musée, the museum. A sentence with it. Le musée est près d'ici. Is the museum near here? You can repeat. Le musée est près d'ici. Word 3. L'arrêt de bus. The bus stop. A sentence with it. Où est l'arrêt de bus le plus proche? Where is the nearest bus stop? You can repeat. Où est l'arrêt de bus le plus proche? Word 4. Le centre-ville. The city center. A sentence with it. Comment aller au centre-ville? How do I get to the city center? So let's repeat. Comment aller au centre-ville? Now, another word, l'hôtel, the hotel. A sentence with it. Je dois aller à mon hôtel. I need to go to my hotel. You can repeat. Je dois aller à mon hôtel. Word 6. La banque, the bank. La banque est ouverte. Is the bank open? Repeat after me. La banque est ouverte. Very good. Now let's move to the most important part, understanding the answer. When someone gives you directions, these words are very common. So let's practice them now. You can hear tout droit, go straight. So let's use a sentence with it. Allez tout droit pendant 5 minutes. Go straight ahead for 5 minutes. So repeat. Allez tout droit pendant 5 minutes. Another useful word, à gauche, on the left. Now the sentence, prenez la première rue à gauche. Take the first street on the left. Let's repeat. Prenez la première rue à gauche. Word 3, à droite, on the right. Le musée est à droite. The museum is on the right. So you can repeat. Le musée est à droite. You can use also à côté de or near that, next to. A sentence with it. C'est à côté de la pharmacie. It's next to the pharmacy. Can you repeat? C'est à côté de la pharmacie. You can also hear or want to use en face de, in front of. Le restaurant est en face de l'église. The restaurant is in front of the church. For repeating, le restaurant est en face de l'église. Word 6. Près de, near. La gare est près du centre-ville. The train station is near downtown. You can repeat. La gare est près du centre-ville. Far, loin. A sentence with it. Ce n'est pas loin, juste 10 minutes. It's not far, just 10 minutes. Can repeat. Ce n'est pas loin, juste 10 minutes. Well done. Now let's put everything into a real conversation. I will read the dialogue sentence by sentence, first in French, then in English, and again in French, following you to repeat. Bonjour, excusez-moi, où est la gare? Hello, excuse me, where is the train station? La gare est tout droit, puis à droite. The train station is straight ahead, then to the right. C'est loin? Is it far? Non, 5 minutes à pied. No, 5 minutes on foot. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Avec plaisir. You're welcome. Now I repeat all the sentences in French and you have time to repeat after me. Bonjour, excusez-moi, où est la gare? La gare est tout droit, puis à droite. C'est loin? Non, 5 minutes à pied. Merci beaucoup. Avec plaisir. Okay, so let's move to the next step. To finish, here are 2 sentences that can save you when you feel lost or overwhelmed. You can say, je suis perdu. Sorry, I am lost. Désolé, je suis perdu. You can repeat. Désolé, je suis perdu. Another one which is really useful, parler lentement. Speak slowly. A sentence with it. Vous pouvez parler lentement, s'il vous plaît? Can you speak slowly, please? So you can repeat after me. Vous pouvez parler lentement, s'il vous plaît? Bravo! Excellent work. Now you can politely ask for directions in French and understand basic answers. If you enjoyed this episode, save it, listen again for practice, or share it with someone learning French. Keep listening, repeating, and practicing. I provide a summary sheet and exercises. You can download it, remember, on my website, FrenchClassTeacher.com. If you enjoyed this episode, remember that you can find the full podcast library, interactive exercise, vocabulary list, downloadable PDF, etc. You can also subscribe to my podcast, leave a rating, or share this episode. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep going, stay consistent, and more importantly, enjoy the process. À bientôt!